Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make money online without a website or blog. Now, you might be thinking that you need a website or a blog to make money online, but that's not the case. There are actually many ways to make money online without any technical skills or experience. One of the easiest ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing. All you need is a social media account or an email list to promote other people's products. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a great way to make passive income. Another way to make money online is by selling products on online marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. You can sell anything from handmade crafts to digital products, and you don't need your own website to do it. This is a great option if you're crafty or have a talent for creating digital products. If you have a large following on social media, you can monetize your account by becoming a social media influencer. You can promote products or services to your followers and earn money through sponsored posts or affiliate marketing. This is a great option if you already have a sizable social media following. If you have expertise in a certain subject, you can offer online tutoring services. Platforms like Zoom and Skype make it easy to connect with students from all over the world. This is a great option if you're a teacher or have a background in a particular subject. Freelancing is another great way to make money online. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer allow you to offer your services as a freelancer, such as writing, graphic design, or programming. This is a great option if you have a particular skill or talent that you can offer to clients. Online surveys are another way to make money online. You can get paid for completing surveys on sites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks. This is a great option if you have some spare time and want to make a little extra cash. Podcasting is another way to reach a large audience and monetize your show through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. This is a great option if you're passionate about a particular topic and want to share your knowledge with others. These are just a few ways to make money online without a website or blog. The key to success is to find something you are passionate about and then put in the work to make it successful. Remember, making money online takes time and effort, but with dedication and hard work, you can turn your dream into a reality. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.